Today we're reviewing stock number 167286 on a 2016 GMC Sierra SLE double cab. And our exterior color is steel gray. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat, lumbar support, cloth upholstery, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, OnStar, garage door opener, CD, AM, FM radio, dual zone climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo alarm controls, and parking assist controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to our exterior features, we have running boards, alloy wheels, mud flaps, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats, sliding rear window, and you can fold those seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 167286 on a 2016 GMC Sierra SLE, and our exterior color is gray.